Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the cabin because that first release is required. With the car off and parking brake set, open the driver door and reach under the dash. Pull the hood release lever firmly until you hear the primary pop. That sound confirms the cable moved. Once done, step to the front and locate the secondary latch, usually centered or slightly left, because it's a safety catch that prevents accidental opening. Make sure you can reach it before moving on to the next step. At the front, place your hand under the center edge of the hood and feel for the secondary latch. It either lifts or slides. Press or move that latch while raising the hood gently about 2 to 3 inches. You need that gap to engage the hood prop. If your Volt has gas-charged struts, they will hold it open, but if not, locate the prop rod and seat it in the designated slot to prevent sudden closure. This protects you and components during inspection or service. With the hood open, double-check the prop or struts are secure before touching anything. When closing, lower the hood to about 12 inches, then let it drop, pressing down center to ensure it fully latches. If the hood won't release from the cabin, it often means a stretched cable or seized latch. Try pulling the lever while an assistant presses the latch from the front. If stuck from corrosion, spray a penetrating lubricant and work the latch. If needed, access through the wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.